I fight,
It's man.
I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive.
All of my nigga at MGBEATZ.co.za.
I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. I fight for my right.
The treat you different, I saying you different. It's like that sometimes. You get hate being who you are. The story is more or less. Whether you got hope, you still get the worst. I know the story of the struggle to the streets and hustle. Mama told me worse. Never had a father, so everything mainly self-educate. Since my first day at preschool, hate is what I've been getting, so I play it cool. With children dealing out, not just afraid, yeah, not just a thought. Getting hard is the only thing to pull it through. To this jungle, you gotta stand tall no matter the circumstances. Fight for what you need. Let us spirit breakers be out to get your soul. Give them no chance, the future's yours for the taking.
I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. I fight for my right. I fight for my right, and I never give up. I fight to survive. I fight for my right. I'm ready, believe me. I'm ready now.
You know there's no help, but if you check it all the help that you need, shouldn't I know that better?